Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set ringtone in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to sounds and vibration. And here select ringtone. And here you can select any tone. Okay. These are all the system available tone. If you want to set any custom tone, click on this plus symbol and give all permissions. If you have any music file in your local folder or SD card, they will be listed here. Unfortunately, I don't have anything. This only one tone available, and I can select this tone and click on done. That selected tone will be applied now as a ringtone. Okay, go back and you can see ringtone selected here. If you want to set other tone, yes, next you can choose any one, and that can be set as ringtone. Now if you want to set ringtone for another SIM, you should have installed 2 SIM. Here I have installed only 1 SIM. If you have installed 2 SIM, your phone will have SIM 1 ringtone, SIM 2 ringtone, and you can choose this. You can choose any system tone, or you can choose your own tone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.